welcome back to another reaction video! And you guessed it, it's from Christoph YTP. You can go to his channel to see YouTube poops like this, which I'll be reacting to right now. So this Christoph YouTube poop is called Kung Pan Fu. This is gonna be a Kung Fu Panda YouTube poop. Man, you don't know what Kung Fu Panda is, then where have you been? It basically stars Jack Black, who was, in my heart, a very good legend. I love you, Jack Black. Thank you for voicing Poe in this. Alright, I'm getting off track. Anyway, I will link the original video in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to Christoph YTP for more amazing comment like this. No, not comment, content. Ah, my word! Still, Christoph, keep up the good work. Compliment from the conch. Anyway, without further ado, let's start this reaction! Ooh!
Legend tells of a legendary warrior who said
Oh.
nothing for his mouth was full.
Oh!
You like to chew? Chew my fist!
Chew my fist!
Said, I see. The warrior swallowed. And then he
Okay.
said nothing. Maybe I should chew my fist!
Maybe I should chew my fist! He's got issues right there. He's got issues.
Warrior spoke. You're so attractive.
What? Okay.
Monkey, monkey, monkey.
Oh. Yep, that's what I do. If someone saw me screaming or roaring and they just noticed, I just run. I just run screaming into the night. That's what I do.
What were you doing up there? All that noise?
Oh, nothing. Just,
Noodles?
yeah. What else?
You were really doing noodles?
Noodles?
Really?
I was dreaming about monkey.
What? Okay, this YouTube poop got disturbing. He was dreaming of Monkey, huh? Was he really dreaming of Monkey? Okay, this somehow got disturbing.
We should hang out.
What?
Thing! Fly to Chalcom prison and tell them to double the police, double the dubs,
What?
double the Tai Lungs,
Double the friggin' man. Double the down. Not
What?
witty kitties. You damn witty.
Yeah, that's what McDonald's has been doing. If all else fails, just double everything. Double the burgers, double the fries, just double everything.
What? It's the message you.
That's what I'd say. Like, what is this message? Why do you want to double the doubles? What is it with this double business? I'm gonna tell this is gonna be a running gag in this.
Messenger.
I'll give you a message for your master.
What? Oh.
Zang. Excellent. I could use some good news right now.
What?
Possible.
Impossible! Earlier in prison. Oh, there's Tai Lung.
Fly to Chalcom prison and tell them to die.
Finally, our battle will be lit.
Oh. Bye, Tai Lung. Well, Tai Lung's dead. Roll credits.
Double the police, double the
Oh yeah, now we got a remix. Oh, and it had to be the doubles meme. Yeah. Aw, keep it going. Aw. Oh, there's
fool.
you fool. Ooh. Okay. Wrecked by Tigress. Would you like to continue? Wait. What'd that say? What'd that say? Wrecked by Tigress. Would you like to continue? Wrecked by Tigress. Okay, that's wrecked by Tigress. Okay, that's enough. Enough with the gaming references, okay? Oh, silent. Oh, Oh, Tai Lung's mad.
You can't defeat me.
Oh, but he can. Oh!
You think I'm a fool?
Yes!
Yes!
What?
We'll be right back.
The Dragon Warrior. I'm the Dragon Warrior.
Huh.
You think you're the Dragon Warrior? I think so. I know you're not the dragon.
Who is Tai Lung talking to? Is he just talking to himself? Because it kind of looks like he's like talking to a duplicate of himself. Just saying. Oh, he's fighting against himself. I knew it. Star Wars. So apparently Tai Lung didn't just die from Tigress, he died from Darth Vader. That is Star Wars logic, people.
So you're the legendary Dragon Warrior,
Hmm?
Yeah.
Wrong.
Huh.
Is it monkey?
Wrong.
Is it Monkey?
Tai Lung?
What is it with Poe and Monkey? Is it like Poe and Monkey have a secret relationship that I don't know about? I'm telling you, this YouTube poop suddenly got disturbing.
Wrong. Heavyweight. You're sensitive. You're not the Dragon Warrior. You will never be the Dragon Warrior until you are the Dragon Warrior.
What?
What?
That's what I'm saying right there. You will never be the Dragon Warrior unless you become the Dragon Warrior. Okay, Master, what your name is? Very solid information. And you made me pause for a second. Gonna say this for the millionth time. Quistoff, you've outdone yourself. Oh.
Okay, take it easy. Now listen
Huh.
closely.
Oh! Oh.
I've had a long and rather
Huh.
long day, so go away.
Go away.
Hi,
Oh, no.
monkey.
Who are you?
Oh no! Oh, not the monkey from the Lion King. Seriously. What do you think the monkey's name is from the Lion King? Still, head in the comments below. What is the monkey from the Lion King called? I said that in my Lingo Kingo reaction.
This is my room, so get out.
It's just.
Huh. That's harsh.
Man, you guys were totally amazing at the battle.
Master Tigress.
You're so much bigger than your action figure.
I shouldn't have said that. Oh, okay. Oh, Tigress is mad. She's triggered. Oh.
Come on.
Oh, she keeps crashing. He's gonna crash again. Oh, I called it! I totally called that right there. I knew he was just gonna keep breaking down the floor. So, I think Poe just got wrecked by Tigress. Roll credits!
I have. It's very bad news. Master, your vision. Tai Lung has broken out of prison. He's on his way. That is good news.
Oh,
That is not good news.
what?
Peach cannot defeat Tai Lung.
A peach cannot defeat Tai Lung. Just the look on the turtle's face right now. Oh, tears of laughter. Tears of laughter.
The peach can stop him.
How? Whoa. Tai Lung.
So where is this peach?
A peach cannot defeat Tai Lung, you idiot.
I want that. You'll never see that scrub Tai Lung.
Huh. What the? Woody?
Who are you?
Yeah. What are you doing in this YouTube poop?
What are you gonna do, big guy?
Just a sec.
Oh, wait. Oh no, I'm scared. Oh no! Oh! Wrecked by Woody! Oh boy. Wrecked by Woody! Would you like to continue again? Wrecked by Woody, eh? Alright, first, Tai Lung is wrecked by Tigress. Second, Tai Lung is wrecked by Woody. Again, Woody shouldn't have shown up in this YouTube boob. I hate crossovers. Certain crossovers, but this one in particular I hate. Alright, let's just get out of the way. Good, good. Oh. Oh! Ah, no!
You stink.
You stink. You stink. Master, whatever your name is, I can't remember the guy who trained Poe. I don't know what his name was. Still, hit that in the comments below. What do you think the Master's name is that trained Poe in the actual movie? Put that in the comments below, okay? Oh, man. I think my favorite part in this YTP was wrecked by Tigress. Another favorite of mine when he said, double the doubles. Oh, this has been a good YTP. Keep up the good work, Quistoff. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you liked this Kung Fu Panda laughter mayhem, hit the like button, subscribe to join the Timber Army, and leave a comment down below. Still, we need like 4 more subscribers to get up to 30 subscribers, so let's keep up the good work, Timber Army. Okay, good, good. This is Killer 84 signing off. Oh, but before I actually sign off, I have a few announcements to make. Don't worry, Sonic Racing and Family Break episodes are still on the way. They're still a work in progress. I just have a little time working them out. And don't worry, more Franken Voices and Conk Views are on the way as well, so we'll all get caught up, alright? Now, this is Killer 84 fully signing off. So